Guys, where's Coco? I don't know where he is. Oh, Lily. Hi. Hi, Lily. Oh, Sini. Hi. Oh, you're sleeping. You're so cute and gorgeous and adorable. Guys, if you want to know what his name is and what he is, a girl or boy, then you need to subscribe and like so you can know who this is and I can tell you all about him in a video or maybe in the shorts. So bye, see you soon. Hope you like and subscribe.